Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a young girl named Lily. Lily had always dreamed of exploring the world beyond her village, but doubts filled her mind like dark clouds overshadowing her aspirations. Every evening Lily would climb a hill near her home to watch the sunset. On one particular evening, as the sky transformed into a breathtaking palette of colors, she felt a surge of inspiration. She realized that the doubts in her mind were the only things holding her back from realizing her dreams. With newfound determination, Lily made a promise to herself. She decided to confront her doubts head-on and take the first step towards her dream of exploration. She embarked on a journey to seek knowledge and experiences that would broaden her horizons. As she ventured into new territories, Lily faced numerous challenges. She encountered unfamiliar cultures, overcame language barriers, and endured physical hardships. But with each obstacle she overcame, her doubts grew weaker, and her belief in herself grew stronger. Lily's thirst for knowledge led her to meet wise mentors who guided her along the way. She learned the power of perseverance, resilience, and self-belief. She discovered that doubts were merely illusions, and she had the ability to shape her own reality. Years passed, and Lily became a renowned explorer and storyteller. She traveled to distant lands, sharing her experiences and inspiring others to overcome their doubts. Through her stories, she reminded people that the only limit to their realization of tomorrow would be the doubts they allowed to cloud their minds. Lily's journey was not just about discovering the world, it was about discovering herself. She realized that by conquering her doubts, she had unlocked a world of endless possibilities. And as she continued to chase her dreams, she encouraged others to do the same. In the end, Lily's story became a reminder that our doubts are merely stepping stones to growth and transformation. By embracing our dreams and pushing past our uncertainties, we can create a future that